Good morning. We are headed out and we are going on a boat trip today with the rest of the crew and going island hopping and doing a little snorkeling. So we're looking forward to everything that we have in store today. We gotta head out here and go get some sunscreen for today. We're gonna hit up Tesco Lotus over here. We are in, I don't know what it's called. It's bigger than a tuk-tuk, but we're here and we're headed up this mountain to go catch a boat and island hop. I lucked up and got to ride inside the cab with the AC. Don't tell anybody though. Hi. This is truly a beautiful island. If you like nature, this is definitely where you want to be. Look at this. This is our driver for this morning. I did not mess with her too much. She's driving, and definitely want to stay on the side of this mountain and not off of it. We are all on the boat headed out to do some island hopping and snorkeling.
Did you tell I was watching you while you were in bed this morning when I was eating?
You ready for some fun?
I didn't feel it. Okay, good. Natural.
Water's cold.
docked on some island out here, but I was so glad to get off that boat. I'll be honest with you, I was getting seasick and my stomach wasn't feeling very well. I had to lay down and take some medicine, and James gave me, I guess, a motion sickness pill. It helped a bit, but I'm really glad to be off of that boat for a while. But this is where we are. Beautiful, beautiful.
Just listen to her.
Yeah, you
Just
see
listen
that?
to Key.
Who's this guy sneaking up on me here? I tell you,
Isn't it?
it is beautiful. I was feeling pretty bad on that boat. I'm glad to be off of it. At least your foot is feeling better, though.
Yeah. We'll see how it does, right?
Yeah. You gonna get in the water? I definitely want to get in the water over
I
here.
in the water here.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Yeah, for sure. First I have to find
I wonder if they have food here. Do they have food over here?
Yeah, we're supposed to eat lunch here.
Oh. So Chuck told us this is a private island, and they allowed us to come on to this island. We're gonna have lunch over here. I'm gonna get you on video real quick, Chuck. This is who invited us out here, and we are enjoying our time. You know, no time to be sad. Of course, Chuck, Paige over there. This is an awesome trip. This is the best thing ever. You look
She
at
thought this was my private island, but if it was, you guys definitely would be here a lot.
it.
We would
Look.
all be here with many friends. Many friends.
Look, he looks like he could own this island, doesn't he? Look at this guy here. We got this is awesome invite to come out here and hang out with these guys, and we're gonna see them again, definitely. I'm gonna take you on a walking tour of this island a little bit, show you what's out here. It's so pretty. I'm not sure how far I can go on this side, but we'll see. This is so pretty. It looks like, wow, they've got yurts back here. Wow, it looks like they were starting, James said they were starting to build a resort over here, but kind of gave up. You can see up there they've got, looks like abandoned bungalows of some sort. But it is so beautiful out here. Wow, they've got them all up this hill here. I think I hear my husband's drone. I wish I could go take a look in that yurt, but I'm not 100% sure that nobody's in there. So I'm not going to do that. And I would keep walking over there, but not too sure if anybody has been back there for a while. So I don't want to be the first thing to go back there and ruffle up anything. You never know what you're going to run into out on this island. Okay, I'm going to go the other way and see what's on this side. Yeah, I don't have my gimbal with me, so I'm sorry for all the motion that you see in this video. So we got Mike over here sitting in the shade. Mike, what's the name of your channel again?
Journeys with M and N.
Journeys with M and N. Hey James, did you take your... There is on the other side, I don't know if you went over there, but some big yurts. Some big yurts on the other side. Did you go over there?
Like the tent? Yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't know if
you
they
know
were...
me, I'm real deal.
He is. I didn't know.
You
if they
know
were...
me, I'm real deal.
He is. I didn't know if they were empty or not. I wanted to peek in one, but
Go look.
no.
Watch out for hornet's nest. That's what you really got to watch.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. I'll tell you, look, I think I might like this island better than I did in Matsoon. This is beautiful. So if I fall in this water, there goes the video because I'm using my phone right now. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. This is absolutely amazing. You've got these abandoned homes over here. Man, this is nice. They need to go ahead and open this up and finish the resort. Because this would definitely be somewhere I'd love to come and stay. I don't know if I'm gonna walk all the way out there, but I'll try. So I met a couple of new subscribers. And what is your names?
Janina
Matt.
And where are you guys from?
from Germany.
Okay, well, we'll look forward to seeing you guys again. Nice meeting you.
See you in Bangkok.
Yes. Let's go get in this water. Boy, I tell you, this feels amazing. Oh, they are fishing here. Little white fish, I'm not sure. Look at this beautiful water.
What the hell are you doing? My alarm went off at the house. Your alarm went off at the house when I 2 hours ago. Alright, there's nothing valuable in there anyway. Just the video
footage. You can't beat this bat.
Nope.
At all.
Exactly what they show in the brochure, right?
I'm telling you. You cannot beat this.
Problem though, a lot of people when they start living here, they stop doing this.
Oh no. That's why I came here.
Get right back in their old pattern, watch TV all day, complain about politics.
They can have that. That's why I left the States. They can have that. There's some really pretty white. I hate up in my snorkel because there's some pretty white fish.
I'll sit up there. You can use it.
There's a big. Loaded. Automatically float. The man that can't float. What? I told you, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Okay. Are you loving that? Look at you, showing off.